The England and Wales football teams could both qualify for the knockout stages of the Euros this evening. Sean is in St Etienne, where England play Slovakia in their final group game. And Sean, we're hearing Wayne Rooney will be left out of the team. What's behind that decision?
That's right, Charlotte. News leaking from the England camp that the manager, Roy Hodgson, is going to take a really big gamble for tonight's match against Slovakia here in a beautiful St Etienne. He's set to rest 6 key players. One of them, as you say, is the captain, Wayne Rooney. He's been England's best player at this tournament so far. Now, here's the thing. He wants to rest some of those key players so they're refreshed for later on in the tournament. But if England win tonight, they'll win the group. They'll have a favourable draw in the next round. If they lose tonight, they could face the likes of Spain or Germany. That will be difficult.